Ready? Eto na tayo! Eto na tayo! One, two, three, go! Here we go! One voice! Ating tinig, ating pibig, abot langit. Eto na tayo! Eto na tayo! Huwag kang bibitiw bigla, huwag kang bibitiw bigla. Higpitan lang ang iyong kapit, nanayag pa tumulong na. Huwag kang bibitiw bigla, pikit ang iyong mga mata. Higpitan lang ang iyong kapit, nanayag pa tumulong langit. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Eto na tayo. Eto na tayo. Eto na tayo. Thank you. This music is for everyone here. Yung mga nasa harap, yung mga nasa likod, hello sa inyong lahat. Teka lang, try ko lang makalapit doon. Hello. Hello sa inyo, kamusta? Yung mga nandito, hello sa lahat! Ang dami-daming tao na nandito. Grabe ang saya. I just want to say hello sa lahat. Okay, sige, game. Ready ba tayong magkantahan? Kung alam nyo yung lyrics, pwede kayong sumabay. Kung hindi, invent na lang on the fly. Sige, game. 1, 2, 3, and labis. Ako'y nahuhumaling. Wow. Sabik sa bawat sandaling. Ika'y makapiling. Giliw, hayaang lumapit. Huwag mo sanang ipagkait. Mamanas ang langit. Siya, anong na darama tuwing makikita kang dumarating. Everyone! Di malaman ang gagawin lahat. Walang sino mang makapipigil sa akin. At wala nang ibang makapagbabago ng aking isip sa'yo. Yung mga nandun sa may bandang dulo, yung mga may ilaw na nakataas. Hi sa inyo! Woo! Ang layo na nila. Sige, gawa ko ng paraan mamaya. 1, 3, and wahari. Di ko naman hindi mo.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste it, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name, I just wanna be famous. But I don't want that cheap fame, no I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna be greatness. I just wanna I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you want to take, you can.
So low. Bumaba ako sa jeepney kung saan tayo'y dati magkatabi. Magkakalikang pisngi nating dalawa, nating dalawa. Panyo mo sa aking bulsa, ang kahapon ay naroon pa rin.